Updating your billing address on Mailchimp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log into your Mailchimp account. Visit the Mailchimp website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the lower left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access billing information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit your billing address. Locate the section for your billing address and click on the Edit button. Enter your new billing address details in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Mailchimp. Regularly checking and updating your details ensures smooth transactions and communication.